Hello Facebook users. In this guide, we'll explore how to pin Facebook posts, ensuring that your important content remains prominently displayed at the top of your profile. Step 1. Use the Facebook mobile app. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Sign in if you're not already signed in. Step 2. Click the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, in the lower right corner. Tap your profile name to access your profile. Step 3. Scroll down to find the post you want to pin. Tap the 3 dots next to the post. Step 4. Select Pin Post. The post will now appear at the top of your profile. Step 5. Unpin a post. To unpin a post, simply follow the steps above and select Unpin Post. The post will return to its original location in your profile. Remember, you can only pin one post at a time. Choose wisely. Thanks for watching the video.